Hey everyone! So over on my community tab, you might have seen for the past couple weeks, I haven't really been feeling that good. I've been feeling a little under the weather, and today is no exception. So I decided to take it a little easy and do a pretty simple jewelry project today. As you know, I have a lot of jewelry making supplies, so I thought I would just do a craft hoard and see what I could come up with. So let's go see what we can find. So here's the state of my jewelry drawer now. I've kept it relatively clean. So let's see. I have this weird chain that I got a while ago that I think I want to use today. It's kind of just been floating around in my jewelry drawer, so I might as well use it now. Maybe these beads. Actually, I had been wanting to make some earrings with these, so maybe that's what I'll do today. So I'll take these, and conveniently, I have some earring backings right here. I gathered some round beads, chain, earring backings, jewelry pliers, and 2-part epoxy. I was kind of inspired by these door knocker style of earrings that I've seen around recently. Not like the really gigantic, like beefy earrings, but like ones that look like door knockers on a door. My first thought was to use some kind of wire to thread through the bead to create the loop of the door knocker, but as I mentioned when rifling through my hoard, I've had this chain for a while, and it sort of holds its shape because of how the chain links are connected. So I figured if I cut it small enough, it would sort of form a loop on its own. So I decided to go with the chain. To see how short to cut the chain, I threaded it through the bead and adjusted it until it was about the size that I liked. And then I cut it. I used that piece to measure out how long to cut another length of chain for the second earring. I mixed up some 2-part epoxy, then I took one of the pieces of chain and dipped each end into the epoxy and stuck those ends into each side of a bead. Then I carefully laid the bead down. I spread a bit more epoxy onto one of the earring backings and placed that onto the bead. And then I just repeated this for the second earring. Pretty simple. Once the epoxy was set, the earrings were done. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, all of that good stuff. If you want to follow me on any of my social media, those will be linked down below. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Thank you so much to my patrons for helping me produce this video. If you like my videos and have learned something from them, please consider supporting me on Patreon to help me continue to make them. It's totally optional. I'll still be making videos either way. It just helps me be able to put out better stuff. A link will be down below, or you can just click up here in the corner.